Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do kind of my last video for the year. So we're gonna do this really bold, kind of glittery look for whatever you have planned for today. I really hope that you guys have a great day and enjoy with your family and friends. And if you want to see how I created this look, please continue watching. I love you guys. Bye. All right, guys, I'm super excited. I cannot believe it's the last day of the year. Like literally 2017 has flown by and this is the last video that I'm going to be doing this year. Get it? So anyways, right. So I got my eyebrows done. It's a good eyebrow day, guys. I do got to say that much. And I did not do my foundation yet. I'm going to do it after I do my eyes just because I'm using dark colors. I'm going to go in with two palettes, my Jaclyn Hill palette and this Sephora Seeing Stars palette that I got for Christmas from one of my coworkers. Thank you, VG. It looks like that. So I'm going to go back and forth with those. But yeah, let's get into this. Let's do this. All right. I'm going to go in with the Sephora Seeing Stars palette, and I'm going to go in with that matte white shade on the top right. All right, so we're going to go in with that matte white shade on this Sephora palette, and I'm just going to set with my Wet n Wild flat brush for my professional brush set that I got for Christmas, and I'm going to set it all. I'm going to set it. Okay, now I'm going to take my Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm going to take the colors Hunts, Roxanne, and Jax, and I'm going to mix them all together and put that in my crease. I'm just taking a little bit of all three of those colors. Then I'm going to go back to my Jaclyn Hill palette and dip into Chip and Soda Pop, and I'm going to deepen up my outer V. I definitely want to be a little bit extra. It's New Year's, guys. And it's okay if it looks a little bit crazy. We'll get it all blended after the fact. I just need to make sure that the color's on there. Take that in. Deepen that crease just with the product that is left over on the brush. Then I'm going to take that fluffy brush that I used before, and then I'm just going to blend that all in. So now once you have it all blended, I'm going to go in with Beam in the Jaclyn Hill palette with a pencil brush like this, and then I'm going to highlight my brow bone. Like so. Then I'm going to take some concealer, any concealer that you have, because I'm going to cut the crease. So I'm just using my LA Girl Pro Concealer. Just a little bit behind my hand. And then I'm just going to take my concealer brush like this. And then I'm just going to cut the crease. I'm going for something super overly dramatic, because that's just how I am. And I'm not going to cut it all the way. It's going to be a half a crease. I'm gonna go in with Cran Apple. Yeah, I'm gonna go in with Cran Apple. And this fluffy brush. I'm gonna put this. Actually, no. I'm gonna do it with my finger. I'm gonna put it right here. Just because these pigments, these eyeshadows go good, more of the glitter eyeshadows go good with just your finger. And then I'm going to take actually this color, it's called Obsessed, because I'm obsessed with it. I'm gonna put it in the inner corner, connecting it to that cranberry color with my finger. Really pressing the eyeshadow. Then I'm gonna have to grab a brush. So I'm gonna go in with this BH Cosmetic brush, and I'm probably gonna take Beam and in Light. And I'm gonna put that on the top where the rest is, right here. Then I'm gonna go back with that cranberry. Just darken it up one more time. Make sure that everything looks seamless, nice and blended. Okay guys, so the eyes are semi done. I just have to do the bottom and add a little bit of glitter, but I'm gonna do that after my foundation. So I'm gonna go in with a face primer, and this is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. I'm gonna put that on my face. Putting on my face. Because we wanna look perfect. We wanna look photo finished. Do you guys have any plans for New Year's? Do you guys want to know my big plans? Nothing. Me and my family, we're just staying home. We don't have any plans to do anything. Just going to receive this new year with positivity, good vibes. And My dog is scratching on something and I don't know what it is. Alright guys. So I'm going to go in with my NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat Foundation in the beige. In 06 beige. Hey girl. So yeah. I know a lot of people talk about like New Year's resolutions and what they want to do, and in all honesty, I mean, there's a lot of things that I want to do and a lot of goals that I want to achieve for the new year. But mostly I just want peace. You know, I just want to live my life and be good and have health for me, my family, my friends, you know. And I want to lose weight too. I gotta take these earrings off. We can't be doing this right now. We're trying to look cute right now. I think every year has ups and downs, but I honestly believe that 2017 tested my nerves. Tested my nerves most of the time, but it's okay because a lot of beautiful things did happen in 2017 for me and my family. So we're gonna leave the negativity aside. And we're just going to focus on the positive, which is one of my most memorable things that happened in 2017 is that I did get married this year. And let me tell you something. I never knew someone wanted to marry my crazy ass. I look at my husband. He is such a good man. So that's definitely the highlight of my year. Getting married to such an amazing person. And he's always so super supportive. So, I mean, this year, that's my highlight. And there was other highlights. I started my YouTube channel this year, which was one of the things that I feel like I wanted to do for so long and I just didn't do it. And my husband is one of the people, well, he's the main person that actually pushed me to do so. Because I was just like, yeah, I'll do it. Yeah, I'll do it. Yeah, I'll do it. This bitch never did it. So, yeah. We're not going to talk about the negatives. We're just not going to put that. We're not going to send that out to the universe. It is what it is. We're going to be as positive as possible and receive this new year with positivity, hope, faith, all that good jazz. You know, because that's all I want. I want to receive good for me and my family and my friends, of course. I did meet some pretty amazing people this year where I work at. I can't lie. Some pretty cool people. I'm not the type of person that has a lot of friends. I have specific people that I have in my life and I've kept in my life because they're just amazing. And I've just added about 3 more people to that list, which is pretty freaking awesome because they're pretty cool people. So now I'm going to set all my makeup with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. Make sure that makeup stays all day, girl. What is your guys' New Year's resolution? What is it? Talk to me. Tell me. Really? It's insane. Or what do you want to achieve this year? I don't know if this is an achievement. It would be for me. But I would love to go on vacation this year. That's definitely an achievement. I'm going to take my children, my husband, on a vacation. Super cool vacation. and just have fun. Get out of the routine a little bit. All right, guys. So now I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl Pro Face Press powder. Powder, guys, powder. And then I'm just gonna take a flat brush like this, and then I'm just gonna put that in the skin. Add some color back. All right, guys, so I did finish my face, just contour and some blush, and I added the same colors basically on top. I added on the bottom lash and I put mascara, and the mascara that I did use was my Origins Ginseng Brightening Mascara to length and lift. I love this mascara. And now I'm gonna go in with my NYX Liquid Crystal Liner, and I'm gonna add a little bit of a glitter right there in the inner corner. Cause you need glitter. And I think while that's still wet, I'm going to apply my glitter eye top coat. And this is from Ulta, is my Fairy Princess one. I use this for everything. So Jesus Christ, I need to get a new one or something different because I repeat the same old thing, but that's okay. I'm just going to use a pencil brush. All right, guys, we're gonna go in with lips. I actually don't know what lips I'm going in with, so I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go with this Academy of Color matte lipstick. It's like a nudie pink, just because the eyes are so much, and I already did a look like that has the eyes are super bold and so is the lips. So all right, guys, so this is the final look for this glammed out kind of New Year's look. Again, it's like my second New Year's look, but I wanted to do like a little chit chat kind of. So I hope wherever you guys are, whatever your New Year's resolution is, I hope that you go into the new year with many blessings and health, wealth, everything possible, and I'll see you guys in the new year. Bye!